Let's take a look at how to use the Read and Write app by Text Help on an iPad. So the first thing you need to do is set up the Read and Write keyboard and configure your settings. So to do that, it's done from the app. So if you go to the Read and Write app, once you've downloaded it, these are the settings and the options that you have. So you can highlight the vowels, use the open dyslexic font, you can change the colour if you wish. Keyboard clicks, have those off or on. Speak as I type, so that means every time you press a space it will read the word that you've written. Continuous reading, speak suggestions, so that allows students to tap a word from the prediction line and it will speak it for you. Swipe up to insert means that if there's a word in the prediction line that the student wants, all they have to do is swipe up on that word and it will insert it into your text and predict ahead. And there are also the speech settings. By tapping the speech settings, you can also change the speed that they speak. So I might put that at 45, and you can use different voices. So I could change to Karen, and if I want to see what voice, how that sounded.
This is a sample of speech using your current settings.
Maybe if I speed it up a little bit.
This is a sample of speech using your current settings.
See how now it's got a little bit fast, so I might go back down to 48, sounds good. So once you have set up your settings, I'll just hide that there. The next thing you need to do before you start using the app is you need to sign in with your Google account credentials. Now before doing these steps, it's important that you visit the Text Help website and sign up as a teacher. Teachers get free premium access forever to use the Read and Write app on any device, so being an iPad, a Chrome web browser, or whatever you use. So once you've signed up for your free premium access, you will then need to click sign in, and you'll sign in with your Google account credentials, and then that's pretty much it. The keyboard is now almost ready to go. The last thing to check is to go into your settings. And where it says general, if I just go back a little bit here, in the general section, and if you go to keyboards and then Read and Write keyboard, you need to make sure that allow full access is turned on. By default, that will be turned off. And then I can use that keyboard now in any typing app that I've got on my iPad. So if I go into Pages, this is what the keyboard looks like. So because I was using this keyboard last, it's come up first. You can see the teal colour up the top is where my prediction is. So today is the first word. Let's say today I. See how it's reading as I type, and then if I start, okay, it's not giving me what I want yet, but okay, I think that says went, so I'm going to tap on it.
Went.
I can hear that it says went. That's definitely what I want. So if I just swipe up, it will insert. Today I went
to the. Today I went to the shop.
That's the continuous reading feature. So once you do a full stop, it will read the sentence to you. If you don't want to use this keyboard at any time, all you have to do is tap on the world and it will change. To get back to this keyboard, you can tap on the world again and it will cycle through your different keyboards. I've only got 2 installed at the moment, or you can tap and hold and it will actually allow you to choose which keyboard you want to use. Another feature you can use in this keyboard is the dictionary. So that's accessed in the 3 magic dots and it's a little book icon. And because I've got the cursor next to the word shop, it's going to tell me what shop means. So let's take a look at that. And if I press play, it will actually read it to me.
Shop, noun, a place where you can buy goods. Let's go to the shop and buy something for dinner.
And I can stop it there. You can see I've got the picture cues on the right there as well. And if I want to return to the keyboard now, I can just press the keyboard icon. There is also a spell checker. So if I press my spell checker, it's going to check my spelling errors. You can see the lowercase i's come up there. So I can tap the I and then the tick and it will replace it for me. You can make small changes to the font and things here as well, and bold and underline. So it just saves if you're using Pages from going into the inspector and doing it that way. The last little setting to show you is that you can change the voices directly from the keyboard. So it's a little bit hidden so that students aren't encouraged to go and change the voice instead of doing what they're meant to be doing. So if you tap on the book icon, so I've gone from the 3 magic dots, I'll just hide that for a second, 3 magic dots and then the book, and you'll see that edit settings option does appear. So from here, you can change the speed of the continuous reading, and you can change the voice as well and do a test voice. So that's how you use the text help app for iPads.